This breakfast quesadilla gives you fluffy eggs, creamy cottage cheese, and melty cheddar wrapped in 2 soft tortillas, all in under 10 minutes. Start with a small bowl to mix your eggs. I already have 2 large egg whites in this bowl. Crack open and add 1 large egg into the bowl. Add a pinch of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika, then whisk until everything is fully combined. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and give it a light spray of oil. Pour the egg mixture into the pan and gently scramble, cooking just until set but still slightly soft. Toss in 1/3 cup of spinach and 3 tablespoons of drained white or cannellini beans. Cook for another 30 to 60 seconds until the spinach wilts and the beans are warmed up. Then remove it from the skillet. Now we'll assemble our quesadilla. Return your skillet back to your stove and give it a light spray of oil. Place 1 taco-sized tortilla in a clean skillet over medium heat. Then carefully spoon the egg, spinach, and bean mixture evenly over the tortilla. Add about 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese on top of the scramble. If you're not a fan of cottage cheese, you can skip this. Sprinkle 1/3 cup of shredded cheese over everything. You can use whichever type of cheese you prefer. Finally, layer the second tortilla on top and press down gently. Cook the first side for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Once you're ready to flip, give the top tortilla a spray of oil. Then carefully flip it over. Let it finish cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes to toast the bottom tortilla. Then remove it from the skillet. Let your quesadilla cool down for a couple of minutes before you begin slicing it. Once it's cooled down, you can place your quesadilla on a cutting board and cut it into however many wedges you like. Then you're ready to enjoy your breakfast quesadilla. If you want even more protein, you can add some cooked chicken, turkey bacon, or sausage if you'd like. I've got some variations that I can share with you guys later down the road. Although I'm eating mine plain, you can add a bit of salsa, avocado, or hot sauce on top for some extra flavor if you prefer. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Reheat in a skillet until it's crisp again. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fast, healthy recipes every week.